Yo guys, how is it going? Welcome to another video, another episode of my journey. And if you're new here, my name is Amy Fuchos and I'm documenting my process here on YouTube, going from an intermediate trader to a professional trader. All right, I was not able to document my morning routine and things I did just because I was actually late and things like that, although I'm still late at this point. So guys, without wasting much of your time today, this episode is going to be very brief and very test one. I'll be going to work, and on my short break I'll be sharing the trades I took last week, my journey, my process, and things I've been learning so far. So good. So to those who have been subscribing to my channel, I really appreciate that because it really motivates me a lot to keep on going. So guys, in a short while, in a short break, I'll be there. So join me as I go to work. All right, let's go. So quick one before I go to work today. I'm gonna be making some TikTok videos. I'm gonna post on my page. So after that, whenever I have a short break, then I'll make this video on how my week went, the chart breakdown, and everything. So I'll see you guys there. All right, let's go. So guys, I'm done with the video process, and I'm on my way to work. So I want you to join me as I go to work. All right, I'll see you there. Yo guys, how are you doing? I'm just waking up, and yeah, this is just a day two on my video vlog. I was not able to make the video and the breakdown on the trace I took, just because we don't have lights, and that's one of the most craziest factor that is disturbing us here in Nigeria. So there's no light in this our area, so I was not able to make the video breakdown. And although I'm currently on a medication, on a drug medication, and hopefully when I finish this, I will be able to get stronger and finish what I'm supposed to do. So I'm just gonna take a little break outside, and see how today's gonna be. So I already know, but come with me. Let's go. So we're outside, bro. It's not really very wonderful. So just stay outside and see how everything is going. My voice is a bit cracked. We'll get shit started. Come on. So it's a great day outside today. And so let me give a quick view on how this is gonna be. Alright. See the view. It's a great day though. Sunshine. So quick one guys. This is a quick view on the place I actually walk. So it's just few kilometers to where I stay actually. But outside was really cool, it was really cool. So in few minutes I'll be at work today, and hopefully I will show you guys what I've learned, because I've learned many things, both from the books I'm reading, and so many other things. I've really learned a lot this past week. So maybe I'm gonna teach you guys and share some great moments of those things I learned. But at this moment, right here, right now, I'll be going to work. Alright, so I want you to come with me and let's get this shit started. Alright. Yo guys, how's it be going? Alright. So unfortunately we don't have light, and honestly that's not my fault. So remember the analysis on BTC USD I gave you guys I think on my last video, and whoa, that shit has finally played out. It's played as I expected. And then in today's breakdown video, I'll be giving you highlights on how I saw that trade, the setting behind the setup, and so on and so forth. So without wasting much time today, so this was actually it. So I will be switching to the 1 day time frame. Okay, so basically on that 1 day time frame, it was it was very clear that we can see price trading from this internal range liquidity, excuse me. Okay, was trading from this internal range liquidity. I think it was at this point here, this unmitigated area, yeah, internal range liquidity to this external swing points, which is also my external range liquidity. Although if you can also see here that price is not actually see hit that level, it's reversed. That that's trading, so anything happen. So we are aware of these things. It must not your analysis must not play out 100%. It is on probabilities. So at that day my daily was defined, it was aligned with what I am actually looking for. So without wasting much time at that day, so we went back to the 4 hour time frame, which was our confirmation time frame. And what I'm doing is the 4 hour is not aligned. I don't care. I don't care about the setup itself if the 4 hour is not aligned with what I actually want. So that day I'll have to look for it, because all this has played out, just that I was not able to record everything that was going on. Okay, so that day the 4 hour was definitely aligned by showing me that this level has been taken. This liquidity sweep alone is a great confirmation for me. So without wasting much time, I went to my 1 hour time frame, which is my entry time frame. I don't go below the 30 minutes time frame, to avoid the noise and everything going on that day. So going at the 30 minutes time frame, I will okay. That day I saw that price took this level at this point. Okay, he gave me liquidity sweep, a structure break, that is a change in price direction. You can call it a market structure shift or break of structure, anything you want to call it, but all of them are see change and all of them are see shifts. So that is the core about all this thing. So basically that's this level was my sweep, and whenever I have a sweep I automatically also have a strong level, which is my invalidation zone. I know that yes, that price is not going to go to that level, so I call it my strong high and a point. So when those things was aligned, so that I we having all these things, my swing high, my swing low, okay, and my point of interest. But I told you guys that day that at this level I'll be waiting for an inducement around this point. I'm expecting price to either do of two things, one or two things here. The first thing I told you was that I am waiting for price to either come to this level and give me a CISD, that is a change in state of delivery, or it give me a minimum of 2 candle pullback. Then after that I want to see a sweep of this low to this area of interest, which is this breaker block, before I expect price to trade towards this direction. And price did exactly what I wanted it to do. It came to this breaker block point, although this was during CPI. I don't know, on that day we had CPI news on that day. So so many brokers get some people got stop outs because of this level, this huge week out. But you don't have to blame the market, it's still your analysis. So that was my entry sorry So at this point was my entry point to target this level. So my stop was a bit above this point, and boom, patiently waited, and everything played as we wanted. So this was a nice one. It was a great one and a great day. So with that, although this was last week's stuff, so switching to the rest of the week, you can see that BTC has been rallying. It has been on a huge surge. I don't really know what caused this, but it's currently sitting at 77,000. Although its highest point was 79,000. So this was the analysis about this BTC and the context, the setting, and everything about it. So it was a wonderful one. It was a wonderful one. So getting to XAUSD to the new week, I might be cutting this at this point. So guys, getting to this XAUSD, like this loss was like nobody expected this. Like if you go to X, you see many professionals. You see Tony, you see Dax, you see those guys. They posted this like, man, this was nobody expected something like this to happen. The spike. I myself, I did this analysis at London session. After London session, then I think around 4 p.m. So at my workplace, I went to the toilet to check out. All right, what has SAES do? And to behold, when I opened the chart, I saw this big god candle spike through my stop loss. There was no pullback, no re-entry, and boom. So this is also part of the journey. It's also part of trading. I know what I'm talking about. So this was the only trade and the first trade I took for the week, and this was a very I won't call it careless, because everything still plays on probability. It's still a numbers game. You cannot decide, you cannot predict. You only just to do your analysis, your execution, and so on and so forth. So this was the golden loss. Is a common thing, because I trade very simple. I go on talking about, I do very simple something. It's not complicated, it's not hard, but just simple. So it was still the same thing with the BTC USD on, but the XAUSD on plays differently. It could be the analytical function or the market function. Anything can still happen. So this was the only trade I took for XAUSD, and currently speaking now, this shit is trending. Like it has been going up, and I don't know if I should go to the weekly time frame. I don't know if okay. I think this is as a point of reversal. This is currently at a point of reversal for this SAUSD. I think it's currently at a point of reversal at this level, but I don't know. I don't see no, because if I should clear this, chart, remove everything here, there is a high possibility that this is actually going from this internal range liquidity. It's actually going from this point, internal range liquidity, to this external range point. In that this is our first target, our first drawn on liquidity, and this is our second drawn on liquidity at this point. So there's high chance that that point of interest will be actually disrespected. So in the coming weeks or the coming months, we might see gold trading up to this point or to this point. But that's just it and the quick analysis. Although when I'm chanced and a bit free, I'll be dropping my breakdown and analysis for the week. And so that was just how my week went, and the lessons, the loss, although all those losses taken in there for still learning, they actually point the way. We don't interpret them as failure, it actually point the way. So that was just it, and hopefully next week will be actually better. So guys, that was a summary for how my week actually went. So we backtested, although that was a loss though with that. So with that saying, I'm currently at work right now. So when I'm back home, I'll be giving a short short walkthrough to how everything has been going. So see you back home. All right, let's go. So guys, we are done for the day and I'm heading back home. Alright, so I will see you guys as soon as I actually go home. See you guys soon. Peace. So guys, welcome back to the channel again. Alright, I came to brief you guys on how everything's been going. So guys, the video has come to an end and it took some trades and all. But beside that, I told you guys that this week it was not just an actual trading week for me. I really learned a lot, both in my psychology, the mind, building the mind, my work, my edge, and everything. So I really learned a lot. So guys, I've been reading this book by Mark Douglas, which says trading this one. I have read this book. This is the second time I'm reading this book. Actually, I read this book last year, but I did not get the whole concept behind the video. But this time around, wow, like everything's just like clicking. So I got an important quote from Mark Douglas, and that quote is really talks about fear as a whole. Fear in your life, but this fear and trading, this trading or fear, this trading fear and life fear. Don't get me wrong. For me, they are related. They are related things. So McDonald's say here in this code that he said to prevent he said to prevent this blind spot of our perception. That is, perception means the way we interpret what the market tells us. Now he said to prevent this blind spot in our perception, we have to learn to trade without fear. And to trade without fear, we need to completely trust ourselves to confront and accept whatever information the market is offering about itself. And we need to be able to trust ourselves to know that we always have to act in our own best interest without hesitation, regardless of the condition. So I really took a lot from this this explanation from this code. I just put a quote because it channels down to me. I'm always scared most time in taking my trades, and it results to miss opportunities. So this quote really, it has really opened my mind, open the inner part of me to take away this fear, and I assure you that this quote has really changed me. So if I would recommend you any trading book, I think this should be the best book for you to get. I get what I'm talking about, because this quote really channels about fear. And trust me, this book will completely take away fear from your trading career. I am telling you the truth. And with that said, I can clearly say that it has sharpened my intuition and my instinct on how I perceive and interpret the market condition, or whatever the market says about me, or the market just it just really opens the way what is inside of you, and there's no way you can actually deny that. So guys, I'm happy to share this with you, and I hope that you get this book. Is highly recommended for you guys. So guys, I thank you for those who have been subscribing to my YouTube channel. We are at 40 subscribers right now, and this is really huge and massive. So I thank you guys for watching and spending time with me, and so on and so forth. So thank you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I wish you a wonderful weekend, and I'll see you on my next video. All right, peace.